Hi Taurus, this is astrologykiki with your January 8th through 14th forecast. There's a lot going on this week between your 9th, 11th, 6th, 12th, and 3rd houses. I will explain what that means. On the 10th and 11th, there are some squares, so some challenging aspects, some obstacles between your 9th house of travel, long distance travel, communication with foreigners or schools, like higher education kind of schools, court cases, and they are in challenging aspects to your 6th and 12th houses. 6th is the house of health, like a health routine or health involving, maybe your doctor, something going on with your health, or your work environment and daily tasks and duties. And your 12th house is your house of many things. It's a very broad house, but amongst those would be institutions like schools, maybe university or hospital or churches. Could be secrets, could be your subconscious. 12th is a very broad range of different things. So if you're looking at squares between these things, I'm trying to connect the dots between these three houses, and there's what I would assume is that there could be a lot of Taurus out there that have issues maybe with some kind of university challenges with regards to maybe a court case or something going on in your work environment, maybe some secrets or gossip or something that needs to be revealed. The 9th house, there could be some issues with court cases and some challenges with regards to maybe someone abroad or someone afar. This could pan out in so many different ways with all of these houses involved. But there are challenges between the 9th, the 6th, and the 12th. So if any one of those sort of ring a bell for you with regards to either institutions or your work or your health, I don't know if any of you might have some health issues and you're going to have some challenging aspects with the hospital, or if there's court cases going on, there's something jarring around the 10th or 11th. Your saving grace, some activity that you might want to indulge in to sort of take your mind away from that, might be in your 11th house. Mars will be in your 11th house, and it is sextile to Pluto. So that's a positive aspect as long as you take advantage of any opportunity that you see there. The 11th house is your house of networking and acquaintances and committees and charities and volunteer work. So maybe you're saving grace to all the challenges that are going on in that time, or to get out and work in your organization, to do some charitable work, or go out and have fun with some acquaintances of yours. On the 12th, there's a full moon, and there are some challenging aspects there. There are squares between your 3rd and your 12th and your 6th house. Your 3rd house is the house of travel, short distance travel, communication, siblings, communication with over like letters, advertising, marketing, things like that. 12th house is again the house of your subconscious, institutions, secrets, confidential matters, religion, yoga, meditation. And your 6th house is your house of health, as well as work environment. And so there's something going on, some kind of communication or travel issue with regards to your work environment or your health. And the 12th house, which is maybe there's, when I see communication in the 12th house, maybe there's some kind of secret that needs to be revealed. And just be careful. The full moons tend to be emotional, so you know, just beware. It will pass. Um, and there may be some challenges on that day. Again, your saving grace is going to be your 11th house on that day. Go out, have fun, be with acquaintances, and have a good time. Okay, thanks.